Good morning, guys. Today we are expecting with Erik that we are going to continue with shooting of our prank. Yes, you saw in 2 previous vlogs. But the thing is that the weather is against us. It's raining. It's terrible and it's not good for us because we need probably the sun for our prank, because the people of whose reaction we need are usually out only during the sun, so we might not be able to record it today. So we probably decided that we will go for some meetings, and now will Erik come and we will go to eat something first and make some crisis meeting, and to decide what to do. Okay, get this. Today I'm going to play ice hockey. Finally, I need to take it out. Where is he? Oh shit! He is a prankster, man. Hey, this guy is prankster.
Oh, that's so good.
Oh my gosh.
So good. So, prank is finally finished. That was it.
So, yeah, it's bad weather and our subjects are hidden now. So
Everybody is hidden.
everybody's hidden.
Me too. I don't like this.
Yeah. So the problem is, it's a problem actually, yeah. So we are going to eat, and the thing is, we decided today that we will try some new restaurant, because when I'm new here in this place, I don't know all the restaurants that, even though I was living, I don't know, not that far from here, but we will try something different. What are we gonna try today?
I thought we're gonna try Indian restaurant.
Yeah.
So I hope just an apple sarem.
Yeah, so we'll try some Indian food, which is usually very spicy. So Erik said that he wished that he will not gonna shit ourselves. Yeah. Did you hear it, our Indian subscribers, what he thinks about your food? That's how he is.
I don't think anything. It's my first time, so
Yeah.
I want to be surprised.
Yeah, well, turn here. Okay. So here it is. Are you scared?
Indian buffet. It's good, but guys, I got a little problem here, because if I want to drink, I will. Jak to řekne?
Nevím. I don't know.
How can I say it? Wait.
Rip your
Rip
eye
my eye
off. Rip it off.
I will rip my eye off if I'm drinking. But this is a small problem. But everything is all right.
Everything is alright, yeah. It's actually a buffet, so we didn't know it. It's a buffet, so we could take everything we wanted. It's a little bit spicy, but it tastes good, and yeah, it's good. So the place is nice here, as you can see. Yeah. I took pizza. Yeah. I don't even know all the names of the food.
So as you can see, we are becoming restaurant testers.
Yeah.
And because it's all you can eat, Cenek has another portion.
It's a third or fourth one. Or, you know, it's for.
They are gonna be happy for him.
We'll probably stay here for, I don't know, for a few hours till we don't eat everything. Hopefully they don't close it soon. But it's good. It's so good. I like it. I like spicy food.
These new ones.
It's a potato.
Shit. Oh shit.
This is chana masala. Everybody knows what's chana masala. And it's pizza bread. It's a really good one. I'm already at the agreed place in Žižkov, where we have a meeting, and I'm still waiting for Erik. He should come probably by the tram, this one. Oh, no. Yep. Yeah, he's confused as always. Look at him. Look at him. Yeah, he's so confused. He's probably looking for me. Anyways, guys, we are on the tram. He's drinking. It's what we got on our meeting. And we are going by tram home. Just testing the video in the dark, because I'm thinking about buying some new vlogging camera which has a better resolution for night vision and so on.
Because you can see.
Yeah. Now? Yeah. So Erik's staying there, but I don't see him. Yeah? I don't see him because it's because of the camera. Yeah, so this is the...
I gotta tell you something. This bottle means something for me.
But nobody knows what.
It's my secret.
Yeah, but you have to be under the... You have to be here under the...
Under the sky.
Under the lights, so I can...
Under the sky. Oh, there are people.
Yeah, we are just getting used to vlog.
Yeah, so
between the people, among the people. So.
we are stopping to be shy in vlogs.
Yeah, do something
Because
crazy.
it's my job.
Do something crazy. Do something.
Okay, something crazy.
Yeah. That's it?
Yes, it was good.
It wasn't crazy enough. I think. Yeah, but good. You are getting better.
Yeah.
You will get used to that.
Thank you. I will try something better next time.
Yeah.
Because you know what? It's not my vlog today, not my turn, so I don't care.
But he's doing pretty good, yeah. Okay, so, yep. Say hi. You are leaving. He's not here. He's hiding. He's prankster. He's prankster. Guys, as you could see, the life of pranksters is tough. We wanted to shoot today, but it was impossible because of the weather. So hopefully, wish us a good luck that we will shoot it tomorrow. Okay, I need to wrap it up today because I am leaving for ice hockey soon. Ice hockey practice. As I promised in the last vlog, one day I will take you with me to the ice hockey training, and I will put my GoPro camera so you can watch the ice hockey from my head, the point of view. So it might be interesting for you. Okay, thanks for watching. Thanks for your thumbs up, and see you tomorrow. Now I need to go to make some exercise before the training. So see ya soon. But I need to put it here, so we have my micro port here.